Hi, it's Donna. I'm just bringing on a short tour of a home on Southeast 11th, which is just off Las Olas. Las Olas is right down there. Come, let's go inside. This really cute townhouse, all new build, has its own little splash pool, which is unusual for Las Olas. And so close to the beach, we can walk just about everywhere. So we came from downstairs and we entered the main living area. Most of the townhomes in the Las Olas area are configured this way, where our main living area is on the second floor. Everything is brand spanking new. Hardly any of it has been used. Look, we even have an elevator, so do not despair, but you have 3 sets of stairs to go up. Here we are, 3rd floor. I'm a little breathless because I did take the stairs. All of the furniture is restoration hardware. Floors are lovely. We're in the master, primary. Oh, neat little feature when I walked in, the nightlight went on. Floating tub, separate shower, neat. Seriously, this furniture is so new, I feel like I'm in a model house. It will come furnished if you want it. Perfect second home. Glass railing. We'll walk into the laundry room, which is very strategically put on the 3rd floor. Our second bedroom. It's very light and bright ensuite. And there you have it. Again, I'm just in love with this furniture. All restoration hardware. Mom's gonna say. Wow, look at this expansive balcony. It's true, there aren't any views. You are living an urban lifestyle. But wow, we can have some tremendous outdoor living. Lots of space. Good neighbors. And again, 2 blocks from Las Olas. And here's the 3rd bedroom that I missed from before. There we go. It's on the ground floor, personally. This is really good for me. It's just another master. The only thing missing from this one would be the bath. But we're right outside. We're connected to the pool. So I think that's an amazing feature. And it's listed for only $2.2 million. Thank you.